Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of on the application of Snapchat. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will scrolling down until you search about or until you find the application of Snapchat. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.